Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two websites. First one is Codility and the second one is Codesignal. We will go through pros and cons and also pricing plans, and at the end I'll try to explain you which one is better, at least in my opinion. So let's start away with Codility. Codility makes hiring developers fast and efficient, I would say. They are very successful in that. Candidates are evaluated based on technical skills that matter the most to you, enabling hiring managers to build high-performing, diverse teams that power growth. But as you can see, the website is very nice. It's kind of darkish, and I like that very much. And they are really focusing into remote hiring. For example, if you do a funnel remotely with live coding challenges, hire at scale, build diverse teams, hiring senior developers, and so on and so on. They are really, really good at what they are doing. We can check the product tour. They are promising that they are basically will try to build you the team that you really want to, according to your needs. Same thing does Codesignal. They are very, very similar, I would say. Also, you have to, at both of them, request a demo or submit to get pricing. So they are not very open about their pricing plans, about their bundles, some small prices or medium plans, also sales or the plans for enterprises at what they are offering, at least money wise. If they are expensive or not, it's really hard to compare straight away, and we are really focusing on that. So from my point of view, it's not very good. For example, I don't know, Code Wars or Algo Expert, they will tell you straight away what they want for their products. So at pricing you won't find much, basically only what there are expensive skills library, but you really need something to work around. You can also contact them or request a demo. That's very nice way. I believe it's like 14 days demo that they can identify key skills beyond an applicant's resume, screen, and hire talent a fully remote workplace, and so on and so on. The thing that I'm missing, for example, LeetCode has this place for developers to grow, but Codility doesn't. We can also check the Codesignal. As I said before, it's a very similar website that we can go through products. I would say interview and tests. You can basically request the demo yet again. So basically what they are doing, they are providing the backend for your company. So you request the demo, you get them your initials, and then, sorry, this is very distracting. And they are trying to fit your needs. Also, this is what I like, are tests. You are basically can go through some tests and then submit them according what you think it's the best way or best code language and stuff like that. But yet again, it's not LeetCode. LeetCode and Algo Expert, I see them being way better, because you can at real time in real time start to make the tests and exercises and compare them with other coders or developers. You can submit them, you can pinpoint whatever you need on the scale of, like, for example, if you want to apply for Amazon, you can go and take a test that they include Amazon offers or Amazon needs, and all the bigger companies got that. So really, there are some solutions at Codesignal, but let's go like this. Yeah, they have some big names behind them. Obviously, Codesignal is very good, and also Codility. They are both very efficient at what they're doing, and they are doing it best. But I feel like they're very centered towards big companies or bigger companies. So if you're alone or you're a developer and you are trying to get the business or get hired, they are not actually providing you that. But if you own a big company and you are looking for coders or you want to restructuralize yourself, then they are the one for you. I'm afraid they are a bit more expensive and all that, but I believe it's way worth it. It's hard for me to compare them. I like, from my perspective, both of them, but Codesignal has a bigger names behind it, I would say. So I would go maybe with that. But all it is about the demos that you can ask for. And then you'll find out which one is the one for you. So thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, leave a comment. If you have any questions, also I will leave the link for the videos underneath, links for the websites underneath this video. And if you like it, like and subscribe. So thank you very much and see you on the next one.